Today's featured car of the day is a 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7 GT. And this one I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California, where it bid to $30,000 but did not sell. And this one was a pretty rare one. It had the S code 390 V8 engine with the about 320 horsepower, I believe, with a C6 automatic transmission. And this one had gone through a comprehensive nut and bolt rotisserie restoration with some customizations during the process. And it had the Magnum 500 wheels with BF Goodrich radial TA tires, and was a good-looking car in the black, especially. It only had 57,000 original miles, the seller stated. So production for the Cougars in 1967, they made a total of 150,893. And of that, 27,209 were the two-door hardtop XR7, which is what this one is. And of that, the GT, they made 2,673 XR7 hardtops with the GT package. And I'm not exactly sure how many had the S code, but you can break it down even farther if you wanted to. But that was pretty much half the production of Mercury in 1967. They sold a total of 354,923 cars, and Cougars were 150,893. So that was just about half their production almost. But if you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.